Hello students. Now today we discuss determinant and matrices unit number 2 under method evaluate by 3 by 3 order determinants explained by Saras method. Explained by Saras method. Now here given determinant D is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now first write down determinant D, all elements A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. Now column type, first two column write down again here A, D, G, B, E, H. Now here A, E, I is a principal diagonal elements. Similarly B, F, G and C, D, H all are principal diagonal elements. So is equal to first A multiple E multiple I, that is A, E, I plus C, B multiple F multiple G, B, F, Z plus C multiple D multiple H, like C, D, H. Now subsidiary diagonal elements is G, E, C, H, F, A, I, D, B. So minus G, E, C plus H, F, A, H multiple F multiple A plus I, D, B, I multiple D multiple B. So those are real number. So here A, E, I multiple plus B, F, Z multiple plus C, D, H multiple minus G, E, C multiple plus H, F, A multiple plus I, D, B multiple. This is the solution of by Saras method. The example number 1, evaluate by Saras method. Evaluate by Saras method. Given determinant D is equal to 3, 2, minus 1 is the first row, second row 1, minus 2, 0, third row 5, minus 3 and 4. Now here solution. Given determinant T is equal to first row 3, 2, minus 1, second row 1, -2 0, third row 5 -3 and 4. Now we write down first all elements of the determinant. 3 2 -1, 1 -2 0, second row, third row 5 -3 4. Now again write first column and second column. So here 3 1 and 5, second column 2 -2 and -3. Okay, so D is equal to first 3 multiple -2 multiple 4. So here 3 multiple -2 multiple 4 plus second 2 multiple 0 multiple 5. So here 2 multiple 0 multiple 5 plus -1 multiple 1 and multiple -3. So -1 multiple 1 and -3. Minus similarly 5 multiple -2 multiple -1. So here 5 multiple -2 multiple -1 plus -3 multiple 0 multiple 3. So here -3 multiple 0 multiple 3 plus 4 multiple 1 multiple 2. So here 4 multiple 1 multiple 2 is equal to 3 multiple -2 multiple 4, 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, but minus, so -24 plus 2 multiple 5 10 multiple 0, that is 0, minus minus plus 3 3 multiple 1 3 multiple 1 3, that is plus 3, minus 5 multiple 2 10 minus -10 multiple -1, that is plus 10, -3 multiple 0 0 multiple 3. तो 0 સાથે કોઈ પણ રિયલ નંબરનો મલ્ટિપલ 0 પ્લસ 4 મલ્ટિપલ 1 4 મલ્ટિપલ 1 4 1 जा 4 1 मल्टीपल 2 4 1 जा 2 4 4 2 जा 8. Now here 24 minus 3, that is minus 21, minus 10 plus 8, that is 18. So minus 21 and minus 18 is equal to minus 21 minus 18. So D is equal to minus 39. This is your answer. Now example number 2, evaluate by Saras method. here given d is equal to 5 6 7 minus 8 2 minus 1 3 minus 4 10. Now solution. Here given d is equal to first row 5 6 7 minus 8 2 minus 1 3 minus 4 10. Now first we write down all elements in 3 by 3 order. First row 5 6 7, second row minus 8 2 minus 1, third row 3 minus 4 and 10. So now again we write down first column and second column. So here 5 minus 8 and 3, second column 6 2 and minus 4, 6 2 and minus 4. Now d is equal to first principal elements 5 multiple 2 multiple 10. So here 5 multiple 2 multiple 10, 5 multiple 2 multiple 10 plus second ma 6 multiple minus 1 multiple 3. Then here 6 multiple minus 1 multiple 3 plus 7 multiple minus 8 multiple minus 4. So here 7 multiple minus 8 multiple minus 4 minus subsidiary diagonal 3 multiple 2 multiple 7 minus 4 multiple minus 1 multiple 5, 10 minus 8 and 6. Then here 3 multiple 2 multiple 7, 3 multiple 2 multiple 7 plus minus 4 multiple minus 1 multiple 5, minus 4 minus 1 5 plus 10 multiple minus 8 and 6, 10 multiple minus 8 and 6. So d is equal to 5 2 जा 10, 10 10 जा 100 plus 6 3 जा 18, 1 जा 18 but minus 18 plus 7 8 जा 56, 56 4 जा 56 4 224 minus 3 2 जा 6, 6 7 जा 42 plus minus 4 and minus 1 that is multiple 4, 4 5 जा 20 plus 6 8 जा 48, 10 जा 480. So D is equal to 100 plus 224, 324 minus 18 minus 42 plus 20, 62 minus 480. So D is equal to 324 minus 18, that is equal to 306 minus 62 minus 480, that is equal to minus 418. So D is equal to 306 minus plus 418. Now add 306 plus 408. So D is equal to 8, 6, 14, 4, 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7. 724 your answer. Now example number 3. Evaluate by Saros method. D is equal to first row 0, 5 and 0, second row 2, 6, 8, third row 5, minus 6 and 2. Now solution. Here given determinant D is equal to first row 0, 5, 0, second row 2, 6, 8 and third row 5, minus 6 and 2. Now D is equal to, first write down all elements of determinants 3 by 3, 0, 5 and 0. Second row 2, 6, 8, 2, 6 and 8. Third row 5 minus 6 and 2, 5 minus 6 and 2. Now write down again 1 and 2 column. So here 0, 2 and 5. Second column 5, 6 and minus 6, 5, 6 and minus 6. So here D is equal to 0 multiple 6 multiple 2, 0 multiple 6 multiple 2. So now here 0 multiple 6 multiple 2 plus 5 multiple 8 multiple 5, 5 multiple 8 multiple 5. Similarly 0 multiple 2 multiple minus 6 plus 0 multiple 2 multiple minus 6 minus 5 multiple 6 multiple 0, 5 multiple 6 multiple 0 minus 6 multiple 8 multiple 0. So plus minus 6 multiple 8 multiple 0. And now 2 multiple 2 multiple 5. So plus 2 multiple 2 multiple 5. Now your homework, self practice by Saras method. Example number first. Determinate D is equal to 1, 2, 3, first row, second row 5, 4, 6, third row 8, 9, 7, and its answer is 39. And second example, T is equal to 0 to 8, first row, second row 0, 3, 6, 0, 4, 12, third row, its answer is 0. Okay, complete your homework.